So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to explain Neat question paper physics. Last in my last part of the video I explained means I solved 15 questions. Now let us solve another 15 or some more questions, how much we can solve in this video. So next question, that is question number 16. If we see the dimensions m l t to the power minus 2 a to the power minus 2, it belongs to which does it belongs to magnetic flux, self-inductance, magnetic permeability, or electric permittivity? So mlt to the power minus 2 a to the power minus 2, it is the dimensions of mu naught, that is magnetic permeability. So therefore the answer is option C or option 3 is the correct answer for question number 16. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 17. Here they asked if the initial tension on a stretched string is doubled. So if the initial tension on a stretched string, if it is doubled, then the ratio of the initial and final speed of transverse. Then what will be the ratio of initial and final speed of transverse wave along with the string? Along with the string, what will be the ratio of the initial and final speed of transverse wave? We have to find. Options they are given is, first option they are given is 1 is to 1, root 2 is to 1, 1 is to root 2, or 1 is to 2. So these are the options they are given. So if we see here how to solve is, V is equal to root T by mu. So therefore Tf is equal to 2Ti, that is Vi by Vf is equal to root Ti by Tf, that is equal to root 1 by 2 is the answer. We get root 1 by 2, we can write it as 1 by root 2. So 1 by root, it is also written as 1 is to root 2. So therefore 1 is to root 2 is the answer we get. So 1 is to root 2, it is in the option C or option 3. So therefore option C or option 3 is the correct answer for question number 70. Moving on to our next question, is question number 18. Here they have asked, in half wave rectification, if the input frequency is 60 Hz in the half wave input half wave rectification, the input frequency is 60 Hz, then the output frequency would be, what will be the output frequency? Is the output frequency will be 0, 30 Hz, 60 Hz, or 120 Hz? Now if we put the graph of half wave rectification, it will be like this. The graph that they given, this one, half wave rectification graph. Okay. Now in this half wave rectification graph, after putting this, the input frequency that we get, it is 60 hertz, and output frequency also it is 60 hertz. So therefore by seeing this, we can say that the frequency will be 60 hertz. So therefore the in the half wave rectification, if the input frequency is 60 hertz, then the output frequency would also be 60 hertz. So therefore means input and output frequency will be same in the half wave rectification. So therefore option C or option 3 is the correct answer for question number 18. Moving on to our next question, question number 19. Here they have asked in the question number 19, the displacement or time graphs of two moving particles makes an angle of 30 degree, okay, and 30 and 45 degree. These are the two moving time graph displacement time graph of two moving particles, that is 30 degree and 45 degree, with the x-axis shown in figure, with x-axis that they have shown in figure. The ratio of their respective velocity, the ratio of its respective velocities. So here they have given again a graph and they have shown displacement. Okay, so in this they have shown that is the y-axis is displacement and x-axis is time. So here 30 degree and 45 degree displacement and displacement two graph they have given. Now after seeing this, the options have the ratio of the respective velocities. So the ratios that we may get for the respective velocities, will it be root 3 is to 1, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, or 1 is to root 3? Which one is the correct one we have to find? So, so after seeing that, velocity is equal to displacement by ds by dt, that is displacement by time. So therefore displacement one they have given and another time they have given, so displacement by time. So therefore displacement graph that is 30 tan 30 ds side, that is, and the tan 45 is near time side. So therefore v1 by v2 we can write, that is equal to tan 30 by tan 40. So tan 30 by tan 40, what is the value of tan 30? It will be 1. Tan 45 degree, it will be root 3. So therefore 1 by root 3 is the answer we get. We can write it also as 1 by, sorry, 1 is to root 3. So therefore 1 is to root 3 is the answer we get. And if we come to the options, 1 is to root 3, so if you see the options, it is in the option B, option D, last option. So therefore 1 is to root 3 is the correct answer for question number 19. So therefore last one, option D or option 4 is the correct one for question number 19. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 20. Here they asked a square loop of side 1 meter, a square loop of side 1 meter and resistance 1 ohm is placed in a magnetic field. It is placed in a magnetic field of 0.5 torque. If the plane of loop is perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field, then the magnetic flux through the loop is, what is the magnetic flux through the loop we have to find. Is it 2 Weber, 2 Weber, 0.5 Weber, 1 Weber, or 0 Weber? So by the information they are given, if you use formula, that is theta is equal to integration b into dA, that is equal to ba cos theta. So therefore it is equal to 0.5 into 1 cos O into SO, that is equal to 0.5 Weber will get. So therefore the correct one is option B or option 2, 0.5 Weber is correct answer for question number 20. Okay, moving on to our next question, that is question number 21. The energy that will be ideally radiated by a 10 kilowatts transmitter in 1 hour is, what is the energy that will be ideally radiated by a 10 kilowatts transmitter within 1 hour? What is the radiate we have to find? So is it 36 into 10 to the power 7 joule, 36 into 10 to the power 4 joule, 36 into 10 to the power 5 joule, or 1 into 10 to the power 5 joule? So here they have given, that is given power they have given is 100 kilowatt. So that we have to correct convert into watt. So therefore 100 into 10 to the power 3 watt, that is equal to 10 to the power 5 watt. Time is 1 hour, they have given, that is 60 minutes. 60 minutes means into 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. So therefore power is equal to energy by time. Energy by time. So if you have to find energy, energy is equal to power into time. So energy is equal to power, that they have given is 10 to the power 5 watt. So 10 to the power 5 watt into 3600 second, that is equal to 10 to the power 5 watt, it will become 10 to the power 7. So 36 into 10 to the power 7 joule is the answer for question number 21. So 36 into 10 to the power 7 joule, if you see the options, it is in option 1. First option, option A. So therefore option A is correct one for question number 21. So moving on to our next question, that is question number 22. Here they said that a body of mass 60 gram experiences a gravitation force of 3 Newton when it is placed at a particular point. When it is placed at any one particular point, the magnitude of the gravitation field, the magnitude of that gravitation field, it will be intensely at the point. What will be the magnitude of the gravitational field at that point? They are given is mass, they are given 60 gram, and they are given that is equal to force, the gravitational force, the force that is equal to 3 Newton. So gravitational field is Eg is equal to F by M, force by mass, that is mass is 60 gram and force is 3 Newton. So gravitation is equal to F by J, that is 3 into Newton. Newton can be written into 10 to the power 2 by 60 gram, 6 kg, okay, 6 kg we can write. So therefore this is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 2, that is equal to 300 by 6, that is equal to 6 by 6 by 300. 300 by 6 we can write it as 50 Newton. So 50 Newton per kg is the answer for question number 22. So 50 Newton per kg, if we see the options, in these options we can see in the second option is the correct one. Option B, 50 Newton per kg is the answer for, is the answer for question number 22. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 23. Here they are given two lists, list 1 and list 2. In list 1 they are given electromagnetic waves, and list 2 they are given wavelengths. So if we come to first list 1 electromagnetic waves, that is AM radio waves, that is B is microwaves, C is infrared radiations. In list 2 wavelengths they are given, that is 10 to the power minus 10 meter, 10 to the power 2 meter, 10 to the power minus 2 meter. These are the wavelengths they are given. Okay, if we see in this, so wavelength is equal to radio is greater than micro is greater than infrared radiation greater than X. So X, so this is the pattern we get. So if we come to the thing, radio and radio waves. So radio waves, it is 10 to the power 2 meter. Microwaves is smaller than that. That is 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Microwaves very smaller. Then if we come to see, there is the infrared radiation, that the given is 4, means option D. So therefore if we come to here, this one is a bonus, so option 4 is the correct one for question number 23. Moving on to our next one, that is question number 24. Here they have given a shell of mass m is at rest initially. So is a shell of mass m is at rest initially. It explodes into three fragments that are having mass in the ratio, 2 is to 2 is to 1. So if the fragments having equal masses, if the fragment it has equal mass, fly off along mutually perpendicular directions. It has mutually perpendicular directions with speed v. The speed of third lighter fragment is, what is the speed of third lighter fragment? Will it be v root 2v, 2 root 2v, or 3 root 2v? So this is the how it will be. So here this one, these both are 0.4 meter, this is 0.2 meter here. So as totally is m and ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 1. So here 2 is to 2 is to 1, because 0.4, if we divide it by 2, it will become 0.2, it will become 2. So 2 to 2 is to 0.2 by 0.2, it will become, so 2 is to 2 is to 1. So we can write 2x plus 2x plus x, that is equal to m. So therefore 5x, so 2x plus 2x plus x, it will be 5x, that is equal to m. So therefore x is equal to 0.2 meter. So therefore new momentum of length mass p, the new momentum of the length mass, it will be p. Let us take it as p. So therefore as p1 is equal to p2, that will be equal to p, then p bar is equal to root p1 square plus p2 square. So therefore 0.2 mv, that is equal to 0.4 microwatt square plus 0.4 m square, that will be equal to root 2 0.4 m square. So therefore v is equal to root 2 0.4 by 0.2 volt. So therefore that is equal to, v is equal to 2 root 2 volt. So therefore 2 root 2 v is the answer for question number 24. So therefore option 3 or option C is the correct answer for question number 24. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 25. Here a biconvex lens has radii of curvature 20 centimeter each. If the refractive index of the material of the lens is 1.5, then the power of the lens, what is the power of the lens, you have to find. So will it be plus 2 dimension, plus 20 dimension, plus 5 dimension, or will it be infinity? So if we put the formula, R1 the again is 20 centimeter, R2 also it is also 20 centimeter, because it is biconvex lens. So therefore mu is the again is 1.5, so 1 by f, that is equal to mu 1 by mu 2, that is mu 1 by mu 2 minus 1. So 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, this is the formula. So 1 by f, that way by 1 by 1.5 minus 1 divided 1 by 20 minus 1 by 20, that will be equal to 2 by 20. So 0.5 by 10 by into 2 by 20. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by 20, or also we can take it as focal length as f is equal to 20. So therefore f is equal to 20 we got. Now what is p is equal to 1 by f. So p is equal to 1 by 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 value. So p is equal to 100 by 20, that is equal to 5 dimensions. So 5d is the answer. So therefore option C or option 3 is the answer for question number 25. Okay, moving on to our next question, that is question number 26. Okay, here they have asked, given below in this, here they have given two statements. First statement is they have said that Biot-Savart law gives on the expression for the magnetic field strength of an infinitesimal current element ideal of a current carrying conductor only. Statement 2 they have given is Biot-Savart law is analogous to Coulomb's inverse square law of charge Q, with the former being related to the field produced by a scalar source ideal while the latter. So now, so ideal while the latter being produced by a vector source Q. In light of above statement, we have to choose the appropriate answer from the options they have given below. So if we see the option 1, so option 1 is correct. So I think option they have given is, it is correct. Weierstrass gives an expression for the magnetic field strength of an infinitesimal current element ideal of a current carrying conductor only. But statement 2 they have given that is ideal while the later being produced by vector square. So it is not produced by vector square, is not scalar source, and Q is not a vector source. So Q ideal is not a scalar source and Q real is not a vector source. Q is not a vector source, but here again Q is a vector source. So this our statement or statement 2 is wrong. So therefore, if we come to the option statement, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect is the answer option there again. So this one is the correct option for question number 26. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 27. Here they have given in the given nuclear reaction, they have given the element X is, so Na gives X plus X square plus V. So what is the element X we have to find? So 23 Na by 11, 23 10 neon, 23 by 10 neon, 22 by 12 magnesium. So the equation is, if you see, so 22 by 11 sodium gives 22 by 10, 20, 22 10 and neon plus E plus infinity. So therefore, if we see the options, so option 3 or option C is correct option for question number 27. Okay, moving on to our next question, that is question number 28. Plane angle and solid angles, it have units but not dimensions. It have dimensions but not units. No units and no dimensions. Both units and dimensions. Which option is correct? We have to find. So plane angle and solid angles, it have units but not dimensions, because plane angle and solid angles both have units but it does not have dimensions. So therefore, so plane angle and solid angles, it have units but not dimensions. So it is in the option A or option 1. So option A or option 1 is correct answer for question number 28. Moving on to our next question. Next question, that is question number 29. The angle between the electric line of force and the equipotential surface is, what is the angle between the electric lines of force and the equipotential surface? Is it 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, or 180 degree? So the angle between electric lines of force and equipotential surface, it is angle is 90 degree. Okay. So therefore the angle between the equipotential lines and lines of force and the electrical lines of force and equipotential surface is 90 degree. So it is in option C or option 3. So option C or option 3 is correct answer for question number 29. So moving on to our next question, that is question number 30. Here they are asked, a light ray falls on a glass surface of refractive index root 3. So glass surface, its refractive index is root 3 at the angle 60 degree. Okay, the angle between the refractive and reflected rays would be, what will be the angle between refractive and reflected rays? Will be 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, or 120. So if we use the Snell's law, that is given angle y is equal to 60 degree, mu is equal to root 3. So mu is equal to SMI by SMI2. So SMI, so that is sin t is equal to sin I by mu, that is equal to sin 60 by root 3. We can take in the question that they are given 60 by root 3, the angle they have given refractive index. So therefore mu is refractive index. So therefore my sin 60 by root 3 minus root 3 by 2 root 3. So therefore sin t is equal to 1 by 2. So angle, or it will be equal to 30 degree. So therefore angle between the refractive and reflected ray is angle I plus C, or that is equal to angle 60 plus angle 30. Therefore it will be angle 90. So angle 90 degree means 90 degree is the answer for the question number 30. So therefore option C or option 3 is the correct answer for question number 33 is 90 degree. So okay, let us solve some other questions in my next video. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my dear friends. So till here I think you understand. So let me see you in my next question, next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my dear friends.